cake. First step, we're gonna bake 3 separate cakes.
I love whipping. Yay!
Okay, Charlie, pour in the cake mix. Now put it in a 1/2 cup of oil.
And now a cup of water.
Now let's crack 3 eggs, but first, eggs! Okay, now, oh my God, I got it! Okay, your turn. Barely got any shells, right? I don't see any. Yeah, me neither. Yay! Yay! Okay, Charlie, pour the eggs in.
2 eggs.
Plop.
Okay, good.
Okay. Now we mix. You.
Mixy.
Oh. You.
La 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 la
La la.
la la. We're mixy.
Mixy, mixy, mixy. Mix, 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 mix. Here's a special tip. Get a pan and get a piece of parchment paper and then put your pan and then trace it. Whoops. Trace. Oh no. Trace it. And then, Charlie, can you cut this out for me? And now you have your circle. Put it on the bottom of your pan so your cake doesn't stick. There's your tip. Now we're going to pour the batter in. Now it's time to bake the cake. And okay, the cake is all done and it's nice and 22 minutes. Now we're going to make a hole in the cake to fill the candy with.
2 degrees. Get out.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little. Oh. I guess I have my own piece of cake now to eat.
This was a cake pop.
Okay, Charlie, your turn.
Okay. Is this the middle?
Yes.
Thanks.
Maybe it'll pop out like. No. Oh yeah, you got it. Okay, now dump it out.
From the old
There we go. Yeah. Now it's time to frost the cake. Two hours later. 300 hours later. Now put your cake on top with a hole in it.
And then frost it.
Did you hear? The cake is all done, and it's so cool, Charlie, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna pour the candy in now. I have M&Ms.
I have sprinkles.
Ah! Oh my god. It's okay. Keep pouring.
Just keep pouring.
Just keep pouring.
Just keep pouring.
Now it's time for next later. But this time, no holes. Put it right on. So it's time to frost the rest of the cake. I think we might need a machine or something. The cake is all done, and doesn't it look beautiful, guys? Yeah, it does. Right, Charlie?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna make the chocolate ganache for the top of the cake. And now you have to warm the cream in the microwave until it gets nice and warm, and then we can make the chocolate ganache. Now carefully pour the cream into the chocolate. I have pink.
And I have teal.
Mix it into the chocolate until it's all melted and nice and pink. Now we're gonna pour the chocolate ganache.
Could you make this?
Very slowly.
Ah. Ah.
Isn't this an awesome drip cake? I can't see the front. This way. Okay. Now the drips are all done. Now let's cover the cake. I mean the top.
Yeah. Well, technically it's
Mistakes happens. Mistake happens, guys.
la la la.
I'm making another drip. Uh-oh. It's okay. Our drip cake is done!
Yay.
Yay. It's time to cut the cake, but my mom's gonna cut it with a knife. Go mom, go mom, go mom, go mom. 1, 2, 3. It's all done. Time to dig in.
Yippee.
Yippee.
Look at my face.
Come on, cake. Get your business here. What?
This cake is delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for having me on your show.
You're welcome. And bye, guys. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and share. Mwah, 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 mwah.